Hi guys, Kek here playing some Subway Surfers, and since I've revisited Zombie Catchers, which I still make videos on that. Yep, my room just turned on my closet light. Anyways, I'll be revisiting Subway Surfers. I think I only made like 4 videos on it for some reason, even though I basically. James, stop turning on my closet light. Get out. Close my door behind you. Yeah. Anyways, after my brother being an absolute butthole, I'm turning on the closet light. I don't like to have it on. Actually, I keep hearing noises. Yeah. And the only light that I actually do have in my room is a cyan one. And I sometimes turn that off. And I turn it off when I take naps and when I go to bed. As well. Anyways, I got a multiplier. My screen froze for Mission Master complete. I would say that this game is pretty easy. Oh no, I've played it before, multiple times. I missed the M. M, like an anti-disestablishmentarianism. That's gonna get me. It's gonna end my run. I didn't double tap fast enough. What happened to the rainbow one? That was better. I want the rainbow one back. Welcome. I don't actually even know how to pronounce that. I'm assuming it's just Cairo or something like that. Seems likely. Oh. What do I get? What? You need 150 for that? Oh, hold on, that's one score booster. I mean, Bow, 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 bow. That will never get old. That will honestly never get old. I need. Bow, 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 bow. Oh. What is the free gift that it showed? Bow, 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 bow. That's never gonna get old. Hold on. Bow, 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 bow. Awesome. It says yes. I got three. I got 3 keys. Arg. It feels good to play this game again. Mostly because, it's kind of weird and wacky, but it's the good kind of weird, not the bad kind of weird. Oh, it's a pyramid. Oh, what were you doing? Oh! Hoverboarding, super sneakers, and a jetpack. Awesome. I wish that they would let you choose the music that you want. Like, you know, like a selection of music, like you could have like the original one if you want to. Another jetpack, gimme! I'm not gonna be in my high school. I'm not gonna check, that might mess me up. Just in case I happen to overjump anything, like right now. Okay. Yeet! Oh, get me out of the conundrum I was in. Board serves as a second life. Ah! Holy crap. But I can't never get like kind of like when he's close by, he can literally just grab us. Come on, it's common sense. I didn't mean to do that. Oh. That I don't know that. Whoa, that was actually kind of risky. Wow, wow. I got a box. Question marks. Mystery box. Ah! This will come in handy. Sell the magnet because I can get more coins. And I don't know if getting more coins matters. I don't know if that actually adds to the amount of coins you have to buy more things, but hopefully it does. But then I guess it would be just too easy to get coins. It would just be constantly running. Okay, so just the point of the game. What? What? What is that bull crap? That's bull crap. That is BS. How does that even work like that? There's no way. Whoa. There's no way I tripped. How? That's bull. That's baloney. Meow, meow. Ooh. Oh, this run has been so long. Whoa. Jesus. Do this. Wow! Bow, 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 bow. What do I get? A singular key. Alright, that's awesome. What did I get now? I get 2,000 coins. Awesome! Just what I needed. Awesome. That's cool. Very, very cool. Silver reward. Oh! What can I actually use my keys for? Is there... I can't even get you yet. Yeah, What is this? Bull crap. What? Frank? What is this? Little Rock Surfer? Festive Frank. What is that? What? Who even... Ninja? Back from Fortnite? Events. I don't want to check the damn events. ARG! Oh, we get super sneakers. And another pyramid. I did. Oh! I I didn't mean to do that. How does a part of my hand even do that? I didn't even do that with my own finger, with my thumb. What the hell? Stopping. Probably my brother running down the stairs, but. Jesus. The way you run. Whoa. Score's like 39,000. I mean, it's possible to beat it. But I don't know if I will beat it. I mean, I probably will. But. I'll have optimism for it. But it isn't really a guarantee. How fast it'll probably. How much it'll speed up. During the later parts of this run. Cold. Oh. Holy hell. Okay, I almost just fucking. I almost just. Got ran over by a train. That would have been bad. Because it would have ended my run. I mean, in real life it's bad too, but. In real life the results are way more effective than in this game. Oh, I don't even need to. What are those lights there for? I don't understand. Those lights are like basically. I mean, you don't see them much during the runs. Bro, like two right there. What are they even for? Well, that's what I want to know. I just want to know what those lights are for. I don't think I've passed any. Those lights. I still don't know what the lights for. Let's go traffic goes without the yellow. See, two of them right there. Anyways. Okay, I'm at 22,000. Which is nowhere near my score of 39,000 that I got last time. What? I did. Ah! Yeah, get away from me, you stupid police officer. Hi, officer. Is there a problem? Whoa. Alright. I mean, I'm getting... I keep summoning hoverboards on accident. I don't mean to be using them. Stupid. Stupid. What? Wow. Whole bunch of bull crap, I say. What? Man, I got a new high score. I was hoping it would be a bit larger than, like, I don't even know how many more. I don't actually even know. I mean, a solid 21 minutes. I mean, it was fun to come back to this game. We're definitely gonna be doing more videos. Subway Surfers. I'm glad I came. I'm glad I decided to come back to it because I can now remember how fun it is again. Which that's fun. That's awesome. Bye.